So this is my first video and I'm going to talk about what Google is actually doing to have AI in all of the products which they have in the market. So today we are going to talk about Google Finance, which if you already have, which is the classic version. So in classic version, you obviously, like, you can see my screen, right? It generally shows what all stocks are there in the market. You can add your portfolios, you can track the market, you can obviously go what is the current news. But this was a really old way of using uh, or analyzing stocks, right? Because you can't um, actually understand why the stock is going up, why this stock is going down. So now Google has launched something which is there in beta, which the Google Finance, you can say the pro version or the AI integrated version, which is there, which actually helps you to do multiple things, which even a 30,000 US dollars Bloomberg terminal can do. So it will help you to understand how you can do this thing. So as you can see my screen, which is there, uh, you can see a lot of stocks on there, a lot of news. You can scroll around which market you want to analyze, like US, Europe, India, and the other countries are also as well. But now they have, like previously also you had an option to create your portfolio, but there you had to go and manually add your stocks. But now what Google has given you four options, which I'm going to explain, uh, uh, which uses AI to actually helps you create your portfolio. You can create an automated task, do a deep research on a stock, and even analyze whatever stocks you have in the portfolio. Or if you want to create a new watch list, that is also something which you can analyze. So starting with the create portfolio. So if you have a portfolio in some app, ideally you should take a screenshot from that app. You can upload a direct file which is there, or you can directly go and upload uh, maybe a screenshot from your portfolio. For example, if I update a demo portfolio from myself which contains two stocks, I think Meta and Robinhood from the US portfolio. So it will automatically analyze this image and will add this or create a portfolio. So as I showed you, it created a portfolio. Like for example, in the image also it had two stocks, as I told, Meta and Robinhood. It added, it took the average price, it showed what profit I am making, what loss I am making, and like you can add your portfolio directly like this in the Google Finance Beta AI version, which is there. So this is one of the easiest ways to add your portfolio directly here so that you can analyze it in the future. The second is what we have. Obviously, every day you can't go and uh, analyze your stocks on daily basis. So what want to do is automate something. So uh, you have an option to create a task directly. For example, if you click on create a task here, you can name your watch list. For example, daily tracking or something like daily events, and here you can mention your uh, a prompt of what do you want to analyze. For example, I will mention analyze my daily portfolio and share report why these why my stocks portfolio have moved, or share any major news related to the same. So once you add your prompt, obviously this is a very lame prompt, but you can uh, make it a better prompt, and you can, when you want this report, if you want a daily, weekly, or monthly, you can set it here and what time you want the report. And if you click on create, uh, it will automatically create an automated task for you. So once I was able to click on create, I think the task should show up here, or I can click on the manage task. So here my task is showing like daily events which I created. So if I want to run it now or edit anything, you can do those things. So if I run this now, it will obviously run on my current portfolio which is there, and I think it should be able to analyze the stock which is there in the portfolio and give me the report on the stock. So for example, I had two stocks, Meta and Robinhood, so it was able to analyze why the Meta stock gained 6% on the day, because there was a research from Semi Analysis which lauded Meta rebuilt AI organization and the release of new Spark and an agentic model. So this is how it will analyze the stock, and you can do more analysis on this. You can ask the question directly here, like you don't have to go to ChatGPT or Gemini anywhere. Upload all your documents and get all the news. So this is a place where you can get a lot of good information, and you can also ask questions which you might be asking your analyst or one of your friends who might not give the correct answer. This might also not give you the correct answer, but it will help you to understand why your stock is moving, or how it is impacting the market currently. The third feature is on the deep search. So this is the deep search option. So if you click on the deep search, you can write your prompt. So for example, research on LIC stock. So it will do a deep research on the LIC stock, how that stock is performing, and whether the stock is doing good or not. And this research will actually take close to 8 to 10 minutes. So maybe till the time this is taking up, I'll help you to understand the last feature which is there, which is the analyze my watch list. So obviously a lot of people, if you see on the left, you can add multiple stocks in a watch list if you want to track or see it on a daily basis. And if you want to do some analysis on that, directly you can click on analyze my watch list, and it will show all the stocks which is there in your watch list, and helps you understand what orders are there or what news is there in the market currently, how their revenue is there, if the revenue is growing or not, how it is compared to the peers, how it is compared to the Nifty or the other indicators which are there in the market. So whole in all, like it's a very great platform, and this is something which is free on Android and it's there on Apple as well, but you will have to use the Chrome browser. There is no app for that, but in Android you will get an app. So the research thing, as you see, that it is doing a research, core research on all the watchlist stocks which are there in my portfolio, and it will give a brief on how to understand what stocks composition are there in my portfolio. So all in all, this is a great improvement on the Google Finance side. Obviously it does not let you link your portfolio as of now, but you can upload a file or add a screenshot so that you can do multiple research, which a lot of companies pays around $10,000, $20,000 for each stock, but you can do it for free now with Google integrating AI with their with their apps which are there, right? So yeah, great update from Google. Hope this helps everybody. Yeah.